What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Nah, I'm just kidding. Welcome to the Adro Inc. YouTube channel and welcome to Adro HQ. As you can see, we're going to give you guys a behind-the-scenes look of what we're working with here at our US headquarters. So let's go ahead, poke behind doors, go around corners, and see what actually goes on a day-to-day here at Adro. We've got Mr. Ben over here hard at work.
How you doing?
And we got Davis. What is going on? He's always locked in.
What's up, guys?
Davis is envisioning our newest project, the G87 M2 facelift. You think we could give the viewers a little peek what's going on?
Sure.
All right, guys. Follow me around the desk. So pretty neat. Obviously, the full redesign facelift of the G87 M2 and a lot more things to come for this platform. As you can see, this is exactly what Davis is seeing in his headset, his VR headset, and really helps him envision how it's going to look in person.
I'm meditating.
We've got that checked off the list. Davis checking out our newest project. Let's go ahead and head on into the warehouse and see what's going on back there. Check it out if you guys haven't scored any of the newest merch. We've got our latest merch drop here at Adro. You can always go on our website. So behind this door, we have our conference room. Ooh, block the whiteboard.
Wait a minute.
And then in here we have all of our merch items and everything getting ready to get shipped out to you. All right, guys, so now we're in the back of the warehouse. This is really where the heartbeat of the company is. Everything inventory related to all of our products, it's definitely an integral part. So as you can see all over here, we've got boxes on boxes of all carbon fiber goodness. We've got on this side, this is nothing but swan neck wings. And then over here, we've got divided by chassis and making sure that we keep things organized, because without organization, this thing would be a mess. So we've got Derek. What's up, Derek? So that's the homie. He definitely is always getting it done around here. One of the A-team members, if you will. Over here we've got, I know we've got a huge BMW segment. So all of our BMW parts, they go about halfway down that aisle. And then swift introduction to my boy Augie. What's up, dude? So we're just starting up this YouTube thing.
Nice.
And just going around. So catching him hard at work.
Hardly working.
Yeah, clean up your desk or something. Huh?
Slow down on orders, maybe I'll get a chance.
So, as you can see, we've got our two-post lift here. It's currently occupied by more shipments that are going out. And I think we've already actually had a pickup today. So these are the start on tomorrow's shipments that are going out. But this bend pack lift has been definitely an integral part to our operation and making sure that we can do our installation guides. If you guys have been following us here at Adro for a while, we used to do installation guides on a PDF format, but now we're able to make it more visually appealing to you and show you exactly how to install our parts, so for ease of the customer use. So this is really like my corner where I like to hang out. Couldn't have done it without BendPack. We've got us these huge 26 foot in diameter fans, and then an awesome evaporative cooler back there that keeps us nice and cool. We had a crazy heat wave here, and we really needed that. But on to the next, we've got our K-Truck here. So this is actually my personal K-Truck, and it is now the official parts runner, sub runner, wherever we need to get food or whatever is local. We like taking this thing out. It's really sweet. 1989 Honda Acti, 4-speed manual. So don't catch me out on the streets. I will catch you slipping.
That escalated quickly.
And then over here, really a lot of fun. If you guys haven't driven a G87 M2, I urge you to hop behind the wheel of it. It is such a good car. It's been very controversial. The looks of it, which you guys saw earlier, we are working to fix that for some of you that don't like the front bumper. But this has our full package, our rear diffuser, side skirts, front lip, and of course the ATR3 wing. Now, next up, we have, which you guys have probably seen a lot of our amazing content. Hey, thanks, Kevin, behind the camera. But we have our G82 M4 with our Adro carbon fiber wide body kit. This thing has just been absolutely amazing this season. We've gone to plenty of car shows. WECFest is coming up next weekend. But prior to that, we had SPOCOM, International Automodified, and Bimmer Invasion, where we took home our 3 first place trophies. So looking to round out the car show season with another first place trophy. But this thing has been a blast to take out. It's been great to show the world of what we're capable of. And trust me, there's going to be a lot of big projects coming your way very, very soon. So I hope that was a great kind of segment showing you what we're doing here at Adro, a behind the scenes look. And if you guys want more content like this, make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe. Down in the comments, we are going to be reading everything. So if there's something that you want to see, let us know and we'll make sure to make it happen. So until next time, I'm Preston and that's Kevin, that's Augie. We'll see you on the next one.